Good afternoon. Today we're going to explore business law. This is one of the courses of the MBA, one of the core courses. Business law is very important for you to understand how the corporation is working. Sometimes for fun, I'm giving this example to the students that the best business in the world is to be a drug dealer, a big drug dealer. The problem is that not only it's immoral, but it's illegal. So this is why you have to learn about law. Why? Because if you're a drug dealer, usually either you get killed or you end up in jail, or both in one order or the other. Usually if you get killed, you don't get to jail, but you go to jail. But if you go to jail, probably you will get killed too. So you should avoid everything which is illegal. It seems to be easy. It's not, because sometimes you have to know what is legal, what is not legal. This is what you're going to learn in this course. You're going to learn about the jurisdiction, the courts, tribunal in the French language, courts in the English language. You're going to learn about civil law. You're going to learn about common law. I'm teaching, for example, Chinese law. Chinese law is a very interesting mix-up of different sets of laws. Civil law, which is coming from Roman law, then French law, then German law and Italian law, and then Japanese law, and then Chinese law. And it's for, family law. But for business, it's coming straight from the United States in the form of common law, and a little bit about coming from the UK. So those systems of laws are different. For example, if you're writing a contract, it's not gonna be you, it's gonna be your lawyer, but in your corporation, you will have to understand the way it works. So a contract, a business contract in civil law will be 10 or 15 pages, because everything is regulated by the law of the country. In English, the statutes. I mean, in English language, legal language, it's called the statutes. In common law, in the US mainly, and the laws of New York, which is, inspiring most of the contracts in the international business, the law of the contract, the content of the contract is so dense that it could be 300, 500 pages instead of 15 pages. Why? Because you have to put in writing everything, since there are no statutes regulating the topic. So if you have the sale of the merchandise going from China to the US by boat, you have to envision all the situation which can occur, the insurance, the Incoterms and everything, etc. So these kind of things, you cannot make them up. You have to know them and you have to learn them. Civil law, international business law, multinational corporation, merger acquisition, LLCs, partnerships, contract law, laws of sales. All these things you're going to learn in this course. So I engage you to take the course. It's fun.